Kenya, like many other countries across the globe, continues to grapple with the adverse effects of fossil fuel dependency. Yet, it is our onus in this generation to find a lasting alternative. And one of the key priorities of the government is addressing climate change and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. But having said that, as a ministry, we have a goal to increase manufacturing to GDP. I have been given specific targets from the current 7.6% to 15% by 2027 and 20% by 2030. So today's function contributes directly to the fulfillment of the goals that I have been given in this ministry. And therefore, I am full of joy, full of optimism, and I want to give my commitment, my cooperation and support to Basigo, to KVM, to CFO, City Hopper, and all the other players in the e-mobility space. 2 weeks ago, my cabinet colleagues and I launched the draft National Electric Mobility Policy, an event that marked the beginning of our journey towards sustainable development and transformation of our transport sector. One of the cornerstones of the policy that we launched is the establishment of incentives meant to increase the uptake of electric vehicles. And through the Finance Act of 2019, the government actually reduced excise duty on electric-powered vehicles to 10%, significantly lowering the duty imposed on fossil fuel-powered vehicles. In addition, the Finance Act of 2023 zero-rated the purchase of electric vehicles. Efforts are underway to revise the integrated national transport policy to accommodate electric vehicles and the requisite infrastructure. To further support this sector, my ministry has developed an automotive policy to stimulate the assembly and manufacture of vehicles with a specific focus on electric vehicles. The government recognizes the critical role that investments such as Basigo plays in driving economic growth, creating employment opportunities, and improving the livelihoods of our citizens. I am elated to hear that there is a plan to increase the assembly to 1,000 buses and create over 300 green sustainable jobs for this country.
Kamera gani bile? Pedestrians can hear it. It's very important.
Yeah. Wow. My goodness.
Operation in China for over 8 years. So it's done already billion and bring and really designed to meet the needs of the public transport operators. So in our first 2 years in the pilot we ran with locally produced here.
Yes.
Okay. And then we are transitioning in the next 3 the side glass. So reliability for the operators, like higher income and higher revenue for the operator, making this more
Long run.
you make all of that.
Maintenance.
All right.
Good.
Three, and the ones who will be responsible for helping to produce the invite the Basigo manufacturing engineering team. Please come up to the front so that you can get your applause. Don't goes to you.